Reflecting on the 2021 Ultimate Goal season, we realized that one of the biggest issues that our team faced was transferring rotational motion from one axle to another with only two motors. Now, you may be wondering, how can we get one axle to spin another axle that is spaced pretty far apart? The simple answer is using gears. However, that would be quite inefficient for such a large distance. So, what can we use? Well, we can use either a belt or a chain. The difference between a belt and a chain is that a belt uses a pulley that has teeth that mesh perfectly with the teeth of the belt, while the chain uses a sprocket that has teeth that the chain rests on. Here's an example of a 435 RPM motor driving a pulley that has a belt driving another pulley that is about 5 inches away. On the other side, we have the same setup, except instead of a belt, we have a chain. So, why use one over the other? Using clamping collars to represent force, a belt can only take so much before it wears down. On the other hand, a chain made of steel can withstand much more force than a belt. On a mechanism that faces little resistance, a belt may be better to use. On something like a chassis that accelerates forward and backward, a chain may be better to use because of its high strength. Overall, to transfer rotation from one axle to another, a belt can be used for lighter loads and a chain can be used for heavier loads. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you on the next one.